Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe another two cryptocurrency. Depends. I guess if you just landed here, do me a huge favor. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Now, I'm going to put right here on my Discord. Okay. If you want cutting edge cryptocurrency and market analysis, which maybe some of you have realized, or maybe some that paid attention, that I told you get off that you had a life raft with Ethereum. Still, so exit, right? Um, it is not time to be going long and accumulating altcoins, guys. But the folks that are in here, they're in my Discord, guys. I mean, not to boast or brag, they're not losing money. Okay, they're not losing money. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to present some information to you about the cryptocurrency market in general and give you some ballpark ideas and price targets where I actually think this is really going. Okay. Now, if you're a moon boy and this is always up and to the right, you need to consider that Bitcoin's been around since 2010, guys, 2010, and it's been in a bull run up and to the right since 2011. Okay. So I think maybe there might be in for a little bit bigger correction this time. So what I'm going to do, by the way, too, man, I have some really cool ball caps down here. If you want to check those out, you don't have to buy them. They're real expensive. I should probably change the price on them or something like that. I'm not even trying to make money on those. I don't even care about making money on those guys. So if you want to get one, that's cool. So let's go over here to Bitcoin. So now the weekly algos on Bitcoin have updated dramatically. So it looks like on Bitcoin, you can probably have one more shot. Okay, that's what I think going into the new year. The reason Bitcoin is going to do that is because the S&P 500, the Trad 5 markets, they're in a correction and they more than likely have another wave up, even though there's panic over there. Trad 5 market actually recently, it looks like cryptocurrency a little bit, but I think it's a correction in the TradFi, S&P 500, NASDAQ, and it's just a severe correction, and it's probably going to trend up. This correction probably scared some people, so it's going to be a meager fifth wave that it's going to have to go up. But in the meantime, Bitcoin will probably be in here, probably more downside, sideways action, and it'll struggle to make a meager run up here. On this weekly chart, what I would pay attention to is a 200 period SMA. It'll be very clear. Very clear. You see it come back up over here, and it's playing over here. And the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ look like they've topped out. It's very easy to figure out what's going to go on next, guys. It's so easy. You're not going to go long there, okay? Even though mainstream media and YouTube probably at 30,000 until you go long, right there at massive resistance right here on Bitcoin. A three-wave swing up probably. And you're going to have a shot, probably a quick shot to who knows. And Algo's predicting 18, 20K. Okay. So that's with Bitcoin. I still think there's probably a little bit more downside. I don't think this is done yet, guys. I think it's probably going to hit 25.3 and in that area. I think Bitcoin may be going down to 25.3. Now, Ethereum. Let's come over here to Ethereum. Let me go to a 3-day chart. Ethereum is going to be basically more or less the same thing. I know there's going to be, it is a massive wick. It can do a massive wick and roll right over, guys, just like it did right over here. You can see massive wick and then it rolled right back over. Okay, so don't think that that's bullish. It just got sucked up. I actually think Ethereum, over the course of the next few days, maybe the week or so, it's probably going to get back down here. It might even break this low. It's going to have a meager run on this 3-day chart. You can check the weekly chart. Let me go to a weekly chart on Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum on the weekly came down, tested 200 SMA. It's going to be back down in this area more than likely. So the SMA will be over here. It'll probably get back down under it. It might get up and over it again in that section, and then it's going to be off. Okay. So the deal is, guys, here, look, here's the deal. All right. Here's the reality of the situation. Okay. Here's the reality of the situation with your cryptocurrency market. I was just waiting for all this to unfold before I get clarity, certainty The more certain I am, the more I'm willing to disclose it. So, okay. The deal is that you're probably not in a bull market. You've been in one big, gigantic connector wave in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and most all your other cryptocurrencies. One big connector wave that seems like it could be bullish. And it's getting ready to finish the rest of this bear market off. That's what the cryptocurrency market is doing, guys. You have all the telltale signs that I presented. Here's the total to crypto market cap, okay? That I presented in this this data right here, okay? So 5 waves up, 3 waves back. It's pretty straightforward when you come to Elliott waves, guys. It's 5 waves up, 3 waves back. And this, to me, if it was finished there, and it's not going to be coming up to do that, okay? It's not coming up to do that, guys. All right? It's over. For the time being, probably another year or so. Who knows how long this is going to last? But you have a wave 1 here. That's about the size of the wave 1. I added it in because it's not on TradingView over here. It's on that other deal they got. So here's your 3rd wave, here's your 4th wave, and there's your 5th wave. Your 1st wave and your 5th wave are about equal in size in nature. They're about equal in size in nature. And all you have to do is your biggest tell right here on this asset, if you want to call it an asset. It's a conglomerate of assets. This is total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Okay. Your biggest tell is down here in the RSI, guys. So if you take these RSI, you actually have 2 massive tells in here. If you take this RSI, here's your 3rd wave peak right there. That's your 5th year 3rd to complete your 3rd wave. And then your 5th wave got done right there. Okay. 5th year 3rd. Yeah. Now there's a little bit of hope that it might be going up to do one last wave to complete that. It's not going to do that, guys. It's not going to do that. So that's your biggest tell. And then if you take this RSI out right here, this is monthly RSI, guys, mind you. This is monthly. This is monthly bearish divergence. Monthly bearish divergence. Not weekly, not daily. Monthly bearish divergence, guys. Your other tell is the amount that the stochastic is coming up, and it's gone sideways, okay? So where's it going? Down to these areas, more than likely. It's a connector wave, guys. Something of that nature, it's going to be doing that, okay? ABC, some sort of connector wave, and it's going to be ripping off another one right back down there, okay? That's the reality of it, guys. That's the reality of it. You've been in a connector wave. It seems bullish, and it's going to be, boom, going right back down there, guys. That's why I've been telling you, be careful of these altcoins. How many altcoins out of the 26,000 are going to survive that? Not many. Not many. Okay? Not many. There are new altcoins that are coming out or thinking about coming out or doing anything. I said, I'm in a project right now that I don't even want to disclose because I'm ashamed of even being in it. And I told them, I said, you guys are going to come out at the top, just like all the other ones do. They're all so focused on development and getting everything so perfect and so correct and so right, but they never pay attention to the markets. Just like ICP came out at the top in what was it, May of 21, March of 21? You know, they come out in a hype only to get ruined. I don't care what kind of project you have, how great it is, okay? Market is going down like this, guys. It's not investable, okay? It's just not. You have to wait for it to correct, okay? And the cryptocurrency market, for the most part, goes all together, guys. It goes all together. All right, so here it is on the, this is a PPM, price pressure momentum, guys, and that's been your bull market right down here, okay? Your bull market has been in this. This is a price pressure momentum. It's a sophisticated RSI. Kind of details where you can get this, but that's your bull market right there. No indication of a bull market. No increase in buying pressure, okay? No increase in buying pressure on that. So that's why it's probably going to be going down, guys. That's the reality of it with this, with that asset. And Bitcoin too, guys. You know, Bitcoin's probably in a massive connector wave. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to say probably, it is. Bitcoin is in a massive connector wave, and it's coming back down probably to break the lows. Ethereum is in a connector wave. Okay. I said I made videos about Ethereum is probably going to end up having candles like this and like this and like this over here eventually. Okay. Probably a little bit more of a retrace in this section. Once it gets done down here, back up, and then you're going to see these over here again. Okay. Into 2024. Ethereum's not coming down to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then it's rocketing out of there, guys. It's a connector wave. This is one big connector wave. A, B, C, and it finished. And now it's in the topping process. And because the S&P 500 is bullish, even though it's in a correction right now, the NASDAQ is bullish, even though it's in a correction right now. Okay. It's going to have support. Bitcoin down maybe a little bit more, and it could trend up into a counter trend rally of some sorts, and this will support it. But once everything rolls over, at that point, going into could be December, January, who knows how long it's going to go on. You know, you're going to have sideways action. It's going to roll over, and it's coming right back down here. And there's targets on Ethereum, $400, $500, $400 or $500. Okay. So I would be careful in any of your altcoins, guys. The altcoin reckoning has just begun. You may have some meager bounces on some altcoins to get out. You know, maybe Phantom or something like that, guys. You know, that's taking a little bit of a risk in my opinion. I made videos, I think 30 days ago or more about that. I say start exiting the altcoins, guys. All right. Altcoin reckoning is coming. All right. So your greater odds in the altcoin market right now, okay, your greater odds in increasing the amount of funds you have in maybe your trading account. It's going to have to be a trading account because you're not going to be able to hold coins. You're going to have better odds at finding coins going down, okay, than you are up. Okay. Now, are you going to have some altcoins that are going to pump out of the blue, like Rune Coin? Okay. One coin, and then Shiba Inu pumped, meager pumps, and the cryptocurrency market wants to act like we're in a bull market, guys. Okay. So, and I was looking at it differently. I was like, why would I go against the trend? Okay. You're going to have much more opportunity going this way than you are this way. Okay. Over the next few, probably even a year. Okay. So that's the reality of it. All right. I know I'm going to get more and more of you that are going to unsubscribe to my channel. Hey, that's fine. That's fine if you don't buy it. Okay. But the reality is that what I'm telling you is probably really accurate. It's probably pretty darn accurate. Okay. Ethereum here is going to be correcting this whole cycle. Okay. So when it was over here, right? It's over here. I said, no, guys, that's probably a good bottom right there on Ethereum. And it was. It blasted up to $2,000. Nobody wanted to believe. They still said this was a bear market, man. Ethereum's going to $400. It's going to $400, guys. Right? Okay. So now we're over here and Ethereum's going to the moon. It's a moonshot. It's a moonshot over here, right? So now it's just the opposite. It's just the opposite again. Here I am going now Ethereum. Now Ethereum can go to $400. Now it's set up to do the $400 downtrend. Okay. So that's how it's going to play out, I believe. It could be $500. I don't know. A ballpark figure, $400 or $500. I think it would be reasonable. Okay. So you just take one of these waves over here, right? You see this wave that it did? Boom, boom, boom. You just take a wave like that and it's going to need to do something just like that over there again. And then you're going to have your connector wave. That's your connector wave in Ethereum. Okay. That's your connector wave. Here's your connector. And it's going to finish it off. Okay. That's what it's doing, guys. All the telltale signs of being extremely bearish. And like I said, you might have one more shot into this area, 17, 18, 1850, something like that, guys. Maybe that's a maybe right now at this point. So I'm not really going to go over other altcoins. I know there's still some bullishness going on with Solana. Okay. So let's take a look at old Solana here. Oh, it didn't go. It still has the support on the weekly from that 20 period moving average, 9 period moving average, and the 40. Okay. It's not going to take much to get this to roll over, guys. All right. It's not going to take much. As a matter of fact, if I was in Solana, personally, flirting with the 200 SMA in this area, if it has a decent pump up, I would be looking for shorts in Solana because my target on Solana would be 15. At that point, it'd do it down to like maybe, I think it's 20 and then 15 and then 8. It's going to break that low. And then I'm going to see $5 or I'm be looking for $5 on Solana, guys. Okay. So, all right, guys. Not to be so negative on it. I don't look at it as negative. I just look at it as an opportunity. If you can do both sides of the market, whether it goes up or whether it goes down, it doesn't matter, right? The cryptocurrency market is not, it's not bullish, guys. Especially the altcoins. The altcoins are extremely bearish, and they're becoming more and more bearish as time comes on, guys. Don't get me wrong. There's going to be some decent bounce up, and that's just, I'm going to repeat it again. On your bounce up, that's going to be your, here's Veracity coin. That is going to be your exit. That's going to be your exit. So Veracity coins pumped up 5%. All right, guys. So cryptocurrency market on these little meager bumps that's out there in mainstream YouTube and mainstream CT and talk about these little pumps, and they're all out there. Maybe some believe it and some are pretending that this is some grand smoke show of a bull market. Wow. I got to tell you guys, but there's the Veracity's trajectory right now on that coin, guys. And it does seem like that right there could have been a wave 1, and it's not. It's a flat. It's connecting this 5-wave move over here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rip up onto a flat, correct that leg, and it's going to be doing it all back down again, guys. Kind of like Solana. It's not going to be as traumatic because it's coming down a little bit, but Veracity coin is probably going to be ending. Eventually, we'll end up back down to these areas, guys. Right back to where it started. Round trip. Same thing with Cardano. It's going to round trip. Okay? It's going to round trip. So, all right, guys. Went on a little bit longer than expected, but that's what's going to be happening to the cryptocurrency market, guys. That's the reality of it, okay? So, you want to be looking on pumps? Now I will take over. Now I won't take over, but the guy from November of 22, and you guys know who I'm talking about. He said to short every pump on Bitcoin. He got that wrong. It was an obvious going to be a massive. At the time, it seemed like it could have been a bull market, but it was a counter trend rally. It's not over yet. It's not over yet for Bitcoin, guys. It is not over yet for Bitcoin. But down here, short every pump, short every pump. Now is your opportunity in Bitcoin, in the cryptocurrency market, to short every pump. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.